Hey everybody, here's an update on the Dell Vostro 430A system. I did a video a while back showing how easily upgradable this machine is, and it is in fact very easy to upgrade. However, when I went to upgrade it for the client a while back, I ran into this one problem, and I'm not actually going to blame the case on that. I'm actually blaming AsRock because they decided to put the front panel header for the power LED, hard drive activity, reset, and power. They stuck it like, if you look at this motherboard for example, they shoved it right in the center, like right below where that PCI slot is, rather than on the right corner where you may see that the front panel on this motherboard is actually located at. The header is. So when I went to install the motherboard in this machine, the front panel header cables simply would not reach. They wouldn't reach. So that's why I did not actually upgrade this machine. So what I actually did was I just went ahead and restored this machine back to stock configuration with some exceptions. I'll come back to those in a moment. And I grabbed a different case I had and built up another machine for the client. So, again, I mentioned I restored this machine back to stock with some exceptions. I put the stock motherboard and Core i3 processor back in. I have a different hard drive in for right now. I installed additional RAM. It only had 2 gigs of RAM. So I installed 4 gigs of RAM. And I have a much better video card in there now because the video card that was in there had a really messed up fan, and I had this one on hand. And I figured it'd be a nice upgrade for it. This is a GeForce GT640. So right now I'm using this as a loaner machine for the Black Max and getting ready to service the Mid-Tower Black Max. And after that, this machine will be going to a friend of mine who's wanting something to play some games on. Nothing real major or anything, but currently he's running a Socket 754 AMD system, so this will be a huge boost for him. So in case you were wondering about this machine, I decided to restore it back to factory components. Now, had the motherboard, the AsRock, I forget what model it is. It's the model I've been using for the Ryzen 3 2200G upgrades. That motherboard had the front panel header situated in a more appropriate spot, on the front corner of the motherboard, like almost any motherboard I have worked with has, it would have been perfect. But instead, due to AsRock's layout, the front panel header would not reach. And this isn't just a problem with this case. A lot of the cases I have used from machines like that one there, or even, for example, that compact, which doesn't actually have that motherboard in it, but just for example, several different kinds of cases, more often than not, the front panel header is a tight fit. I mean, it reaches, but it's borderline. It barely makes it. So, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well, guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.